Okay, hi, welcome to my video. This is not going to be a voiceover, but this part is. So I'm just showing you the 3 different meals that I got, and each of them have 2 servings. So pretty much I'm getting 6 meals at a discounted rate for this video. You can like smell the stuff. Everything still feels cold, but it is 7 o'clock, so it took forever to get here. So the first thing I got was spinach and ricotta ravioli. So it has all the nutrition facts. This actually does not look like a lot. Like, oh my god. This is supposed to be refrigerated. Chicken breast strips. This just looks like chicken breast. Like, it doesn't look like they're strips, but I guess you're supposed to make them into strips. And this is the Greek. This is heavy. So, check it with y'all. What's this? My chickpeas. I already have chickpeas, but 1 onion. And one thing I like about this is that I typically, like, I don't like going to the grocery store. And when I do go to the grocery store and I get, like, onions, I waste them because I don't be cooking like that. So I'm glad they just give you exactly what you need. We got hummus, spices, feta butter, that's cute. I don't really know what that is. I want to make this. Bulgogi, I hope I said that right. Someone correct me. A cucumber, but I've never seen, this is a Persian cucumber. Yeah, I've never seen a cucumber that's small. This is dill. Another thing of hummus and another tomato, but this tomato is much smaller than the last one I got. So we're just gonna double check on the list, and the back always tells you how to do it. This don't really tell you if like how many pans and stuff you need. Oh yeah, it does. Yes it does. So this part, it says bust out. So you need a zester. I don't have that. A small pot, large pan, small bowl, paper towel. They asking for too much. Kosher salt, black pepper, sugar. I do not have that. I have brown sugar. I'm probably not gonna add it. Vegetable oil, butter. This one tells me I need a large pot, a zester, baking sheet, strainer, large pan, whisk. Ciao. They should have told me that. This one I need a strainer, paper towels. I actually don't have paper towels. I haven't been to the store in like mad long, which is hence why I ordered this. Baking sheet, small pot, medium bowl, small bowl, salt, pepper, and whatever. So I'm gonna make these today. I'm not cooking no meat. Like, I just don't like cooking meat, so I'm not doing that today. But yeah, the good thing is that you can always save these little things so that when you're done using HelloFresh, you actually know what to buy for yourself. So yeah. honestly, I really liked it. Only thing I would say was I don't recall it saying like the extra ingredients I would need. So say if I was out of something, and I know these are basic things like salt and pepper. If I was out of it, I wouldn't have been able to like make the thing, whatever. Yeah, it was really good. You could see the two meals. One of them looked almost exactly like the picture and the other one not so much, and that's because the first one I like really missed a couple steps because some of the instructions was just overwhelming. Like if you were trying to, and this is with any recipe, this isn't HelloFresh, but if you're trying to prepare one part of the meal while you're trying to do something else, you're just like focused on too many things at once. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you don't know how to cook. This is not a quick meal at all. They tell you how long they're gonna take. They probably did take around the time that it said, because I've been at this for like 2 hours and 45 minutes at this point, including me sitting down and eating. So yeah, I couldn't make 2 meals at once because they required baking. I only have one baking sheet, and then the temperature that they need to bake at were different, and I'm not advanced enough to know how to alter that. So yeah, I had to make one meal, take a break, make another meal. So I have 3 meals. I have one more left that I haven't done. But like I was saying earlier, I don't know if I cut this part out of the video, but I don't like making meat. So it's not that I'm a vegetarian or anything, but I cook vegetarian, as in like I don't cook meat. So I don't recall there being chicken in something that I selected, but there was, so now I have to make the chicken. I don't like handling meat while I'm cooking. So also it's getting really late, so I'm just gonna do that another day. It's not gonna be in this video, but I might add the picture. But yeah, this was really good. I'm so happy I did it. I'm glad I got a discount code because I'm getting 4 boxes, and all of them have like a certain amount off. So overall, I'm good. 4 times 3, 12. I'm gonna get 12 different meals, and I have the recipes forever, so that's really nice. I also love how they give you the exact amount of things that you need in the package so that you're not wasting anything. But yeah, that's all I have. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you haven't seen the other videos, they're gonna be on the screen now.